Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the briefing on Friday, the 10th of February. So first of all, taking a look at the synoptic, we can see we're still in this high pressure, a couple of low pressure systems developing out in the Atlantic, one of which sent this warm front towards us. So looking at this, looks like at midday, it's going to be still slightly to the north of us. And if we go ahead to midnight tonight, you see it hasn't made very much progress. So I think it's quite slow moving. Any effects from it, I'm hoping, shouldn't be until this evening, and hopefully then pass through by tomorrow, pretty much. Then looking ahead, if it's a slow start tomorrow, it should clear up, and again, very high pressure, should be quite a settled day. Looking ahead to Sunday, much the same, very high pressure, and particularly wide isobars on Sunday. So looks like quite a settled weekend. Spot winds today, we're looking at about pretty much 270 at 15 or 20 knots at flying height. And this current cloud cover, it's pretty hard to pick out where that warm front is, perhaps up here somewhere. But you can see where we are at the moment, a very small amount of cloud. Hopefully that will continue, maybe thickening a little bit later. Looks like there isn't any rain on that front. Maybe a few little patches. I don't think there's much of a chance of us getting a shower today. And that aligns with the public forecast, suggesting any chance of rain. We go ahead a little bit to this evening. We see the cloud thickening and humidity increasing quite a lot about midnight. So I'm thinking that's probably when the warm front's passing through, suggesting perhaps a slightly slow start tomorrow morning. But otherwise, reasonably, reasonably settled day. Top temperature of 7 degrees, light winds from the west-southwest, and good visibility by later on. Top temperatures today of about 7 degrees, a dew point of about 2 degrees, so a reasonable split there, but it is going to feel a bit chilly, I think. And that's the current view outside, looking very settled, some high-level cloud, but I'm hoping the cloud shouldn't be an issue today. Current temperature is 1 degree, dew point of -1. And Farnborough, much the same, calm winds, high pressure, quite high humidity at the moment, but good visibility. And forecasting 2 knots from variable directions and few clouds at 3,000 feet, so that's straightforward. And no TAMs, none to affect. 17 there is high intensity radio transmissions at Boscombe Down. 15, there's a couple there, that's the permanent ones at Middle Wallop, and number 8 is Southampton's operating hours. None close to us that are going to affect us. So that's pretty much it for the weather operationally today. No jet movements that I've been notified of. With that, light westerly wind, of course, will be on runway 27. Fairly normal setup with the launch point on the runway. And the cables most likely will be on the south side. Okay. Normal setup, winch launching and aero towing from the runway, and landing will be on the grass. So it should be quite a nice day. I'll see you all on the airfield. Bye for now.